everyone, welcome back to yet another video. So today I have come up with a very interesting topic, which is pronunciation. I hope all of you have heard of this term pronunciation. It is actually a kind of accent we use whenever we speak in English or whatever the language is. A language has its own accent to pronounce certain words and all. And in this video, I'll be focusing on some of the important commonly used words and its pronunciation. Actually, regularly we speak or we communicate in English. Maybe you are a person who communicate in English regularly, and we use certain simple words also in our conversation, right? But if we don't know the right pronunciation, we'll be used with the wrong accent and we'll be following that throughout our life. When we listen to someone who speaks well, after listening to their pronunciation or the right accent, we'll be wondering that, oh, our pronunciation is completely different or it is wrong, like that. And that accent will be completely different than our imagination. And before moving on to the pronunciation of certain simple words which are included in our daily conversation, I would like to tell you why do we need to know or learn the pronunciation, the right accent of words. Let me tell you that actually we all have different mother tongues like Malayalam, Tamil, Hindi and so on. It depends on, right? So we will be influenced by our mother tongue always because we have been communicating in our mother tongue for a long period of time, right? So we are used with that and immediately we cannot change that nature of our mother tongue. So when it comes to English, what happens? So when it comes to English, we'll be influenced by our mother tongue. We'll have the nature of using words or conversing in English in the same way as we speak Malayalam or Hindi, whatever our mother tongue is. So it will create a lot of problems that English has its own accent and standard, its own rules of pronunciation and all. But being influenced by our mother tongue, when we communicate in English, the listener cannot understand which word we are using. If we go for the wrong pronunciation, the listener cannot understand what word that I mean or we mean, then there will be a communication gap. So that it is important to know the pronunciation of the commonly used words for a better communication. So the very first word I would like to introduce is, let me spell it for you and let's see what will be your consideration of that pronunciation, and after that I shall tell you the right one. So the very first word is examination. Yes, it's a very common word that we use regularly, right? And we have the tendency to use that, I have an examination. We normally say that, I have an examination. Do you say it like that or do you use the right pronunciation? I don't know. If you use I have an examination, that examination is a wrong pronunciation. The right pronunciation of that word is examination. Examination. So you have to say, I have an examination, not examination. So you can feel the difference, examination and examination. So when we use the second pronunciation, you can feel that change. It is more standard than the previous one. When we say examination, we have the influence of our mother tongue, Malayalam or whatever it is. But when we pronounce it as, or when we use the actual pronunciation, examination, it is different and we know that yes, we are using the right pronunciation. So when next time after watching this video, when you get the chance to use this word, just go for the right pronunciation. Then the next word I would like to introduce is video. Video. So related to YouTube itself, it's a very common word daily we use. So how do you pronounce this word, video? Maybe it is like video. So you can say, I'm shooting a video or I have uploaded a video, like that. I don't know how do you pronounce it. If you pronounce this word like video, it is wrong. It is influenced by our mother tongue. When it comes to English, we have to pronounce it like video, not video. That is wrong. It is video. So you can say I'm shooting a video. I have uploaded many videos, like that. So next time when you use this word, just pronounce it as video. Don't go for video. Okay, I hope that is clear to you. And the next word I would like to introduce is police. Okay, how do you pronounce this? We normally say that police are investigating the case. We normally, when we see this word, we pronounce it as police, right? Police are investigating, police are coming, like that. We have the tendency to pronounce it like police, but it is not police, it is police. Police are investigating the case. Police are coming. So don't pronounce it as police. It has our influence of the mother tongue. It is police. Okay. Then the next word is WAS. WAS, actually it is an auxiliary verb, and when you communicate in English, it's related to a grammar part, and this was, actually WAS, comes in our conversation commonly, and maybe most of you have the tendency to pronounce it as was, like I was at home. Just look at that sentence. When we say I was at home, you can see that it is influenced by our mother tongue. I was at home. But the right pronunciation of the word WAS is was. It is not was. So we have to say I was at home. I was in the kitchen. So you can feel that difference. I was at home. I was at home. You can feel that difference. That second one is the standard accent in English. Now let me drive you to the last word, that is pronunciation itself. PRONUNCITAION. So actually some of us have used this word as pronunciation, like that. Pronunciation, like that. So the right accent is pronunciation. Pronunciation. It is not pronunciation, it is pronunciation. So these are some simple and regular words we include in our conversation when it comes to English. So I just want you to use the right accent, and the listener will be getting your words very easily, and don't be influenced by your mother tongue. When you speak in your mother tongue, you can follow that nature, but when it comes to English, just change it and follow the effective pronunciation. So that is all about my today's video. I hope you like it. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and share to your friends. I'll be back with another video. Bye.